How to clean your Goose down coat properly.
Hello, and welcome to today's video. We're going to answer a common question we get asked: can I use regular detergent to wash my Goose down coat in the washing machine? Washing your down coat properly is important to maintain its quality, and we're here to guide you through the process.
What's unique about Goose down?
Goose down coats are different from regular coats in terms of their material and structure. Down is the fluffy layer underneath the feathers of geese, and it's known for its amazing insulation properties. However, this special material needs special care.
Can I use regular detergent for Goose down?
The answer is no, you shouldn't use regular detergent to wash your Goose down coat. Regular detergents can damage the down's natural oils that give it its insulating properties. It can also remain trapped in the down clusters and not rinse out fully, reducing the loft and warmth of the coat.
How should I wash my Goose down coat?
Here's how you should do it. 1. Use a special down cleaner. Down-specific detergents are designed to preserve the quality of the down and maintain its loft. They're typically available in outdoor gear stores or online. 2. Wash it in a front-loading washing machine. Top-loading machines with agitators can damage the coat. Choose the gentle cycle and add an extra rinse to make sure all the detergent gets out. 3. Dry it thoroughly. This is crucial. Leaving down damp can lead to mold and mildew. Use a low heat setting on your dryer and throw in some tennis balls to help fluff up the down. So, remember, when it comes to washing your Goose down coat, avoid regular detergents and treat it with care to maintain its insulation and quality. By following these tips, your coat will stay fluffy, warm, and last you for many winters to come. Thanks for watching and happy washing!